Do your meeting note look messy or difficult to review later? With Note Assist, your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can automatically organize your meeting note into a clearer and more structured format. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Note app. Then open the note you want to format. Tap the Note Assist icon at the top of the screen. Next, tap Auto Format and then choose Meeting Note. In a few moments, your phone generates several versions of your meeting note. Swipe through to preview the different layout and choose the one you like best. For each version, you will see three options. Tap Copy to copy the formatted meeting note to your clipboard. Tap Replace to replace your current note with a selected version. Or tap Add to if you like to keep your original note and insert the formatted version in one of three places. New page before, end of note, or new note. For this example, let's choose new note. Now the formatted meeting notes are saved separately while your original note remain unchanged. And that's how you automatically format meeting note using Note Assist on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.